What's up, guys? So welcome to my channel once again. My name is Isaac. So real quick, in this video we'll be talking about OriginTrail with the ticker symbol of TRAC, TRAC. We'll be talking about the price prediction, what the future holds for OriginTrail from here. And as you can see, it's currently on the watch list of 31,000 people. That is to tell you, you are very much early to this project. A lot of people don't know about this project yet, and that should give you an edge for easy 10x, 20x. Believe me, it's very possible. As you can see, it's currently ranked number 116 on the CoinMarketCap ranking. The price is sitting at, as at the time of making this video, $2.35, and it's been up 103% in the last 24 hours. So like, I'm not a financial advisor, but the truth is, getting into OriginTrail now will be one of the best decisions you've ever made in 2021. I made a video a few weeks back about Sandbox, and I was in kind of begging people in that video to get into Sandbox. Now I think Sandbox was trading at around 0.56 cent to 0.60 cent then, but guess what? Sandbox is heading to $4 now in less than a month plus. You understand? Damn, like, you don't have to underestimate most of those projects anymore. Like Sandbox, I told someone in my our Telegram community that Sandbox has the potential of going to $200. It's very possible. Okay, so sorry to cut this video short. So in case you're new and you wish to be in the know of what's going on in the crypto space, feel free to join our community. As you can see, Money HQ, we drop crypto signals, trading signals, listing, like everything that has to do with cryptocurrency, news, updates, entertainment, everything. Just if you want to be in the know of what's going on in the crypto space, feel free to join our community. I will leave the link in the description of this video. Okay, so let's just head straight to OriginTrail, which is the business of today. So as you can see, the current market cap of the whole cryptocurrency market cap is sitting at $2.7 trillion. It was formerly around $2.8 trillion, but hopefully before today runs out, we should be expecting more billions joining. Okay, so out of 13,000 cryptos in the crypto space on the CoinMarketCap, OriginTrail TRAC is currently ranked number 16, which is something tremendous, like wonderful. Okay, so let's just head straight now. Like I said, for some of you that are new to OriginTrail, please permit me to bring you up to speed. OriginTrail with the ticker symbol TRAC, TRAC, is currently available on KuCoin, Bitmask, Coinbase, and let's just check the market out so that it won't be as if I'm just listing. Okay, it's currently available on KuCoin with the trading pair of USD. It's currently available on KuCoin with the trading pair of BTC and Ethereum, and it's currently available on Coinbase with the trading pair of USD and Uniswap, Bitrace, Bangkok Network, OX Protocol, Bitmart, Bitforex, HitBTC, Honeyswap, and the rest. You understand? It's not available on Binance yet. Just come to think of it, what will happen when it gets available, when it gets listed on Binance? The exposure is going to be massive, like seriously. Like, the price is going to skyrocket. I know what I'm saying. After I got listed on Coinbase, which is the second largest cryptocurrency platform, CX platform in the world, the price surged very high. So just imagine what the price will head to, like where the price will head to when it get listed on Binance. It's going to go parabolic. Like, let me just bring those that are new to this project up to speed real quick. So OriginTrail is the world's first decentralized knowledge graph, organizing humanity's most important asset and making them discoverable, verifiable, and valuable. OriginTrail aims to connect the physical world and the digital world, such as the DeFi, smart contract, Metaverse. I repeat that again, like the trending stuff in the crypto space right now. Metaverse NFT. You guys shouldn't take this project for a joke. You understand? Good. So let me repeat it again. OriginTrail aims to connect the physical and digital world such as DeFi and smart contract, metaverse, and NFT in a single connected reality. So they aim to simplify stuff in connecting them. And like I said earlier, they're built on Ethereum blockchain, and they got audited by Quant Stamp. And let's just check the overview. As you can see, it's in kind of consolidating for a while. And if you ask me, I would say this is a good buy, like a good time to buy. And let's just check. The price has been up 102% in the last 24 hours. And trading volume, can you imagine? Trading volume has been up 4,696% in the last 24 hours. And the market cap has been up 105% in the last 24 hours. You see, this is serious. So if you ask me, let me just give you my price prediction for this quantum TRAC now, trading OriginTrail. So if you ask me, OriginTrail is currently sitting at a market cap of 852 million US dollars. And considering the total supply, which is 500 million TRAC, and the circulating supply, which is 358 million TRAC, I see TRAC heading to a 6 billion market cap in a very, very short time from now. As at the time of making this video, I see TRAC heading to 6 billion market cap, and that should give TRAC a 743% pump. And that will be the price will be heading to $20 then. Like, my price prediction for the immediate short term for TRAC is $20, and that should be 743% pump. So just imagine if you invest $100 now in TRAC, that $100 is going to be worth $743. That is the profit you're going to make from the $100 investment, as at the time of the price reaching $20. And the price can even get beyond $20 considering the very, very low market cap right now, and the circulating total supply, and also total supply. So TRAC still has enough potentials, like seriously. So there's enough potentials for TRAC. So let's just check TRAC. As you can see, the chart is kind of consolidating. It got listed on Coinbase few hours ago, so it's still in kind of hard and difficult to chart. But if you ask me, I actually bought this token few hours ago also. So yeah, no cause for alarm. So looking at the 30-minute technical analysis for TRAC, TRAC is currently witnessing some sell pressure. Like a lot of people are selling right now, but the sell pressure rating isn't on the strong sell actually. And if we should check the 15-minute, is still in kind of close to neutral. 5-minute strong sell. Oh my god. So 5 minutes ago a lot of people are selling it. Okay, let's check the 1 hour technical analysis for sell heading to neutral. 2 hours neutral. So that is to tell you that a lot of people are in kind of neutral in this project right now. That is, the buying and selling are almost equal in the last 2 hours. So let's just check 4 hours to see what's up. Okay, 4 hours is still neutral. So most of the time, sorry, daily is still neutral. So most of the time, in order for you to know where the direction of a particular token, the price direction of a particular token is headed, you have to look at place more emphasis on the larger time frame. You understand, the bigger time frame, which is the 4 hour, 2 hours, and the daily. So the 4 hours, 2 hours is telling us that the level of people buying the token and selling the token is on almost 50%. You understand? So getting into this project now won't be a bad idea. Actually, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a content creator. My name is Isaac. Please, in case you're new to my channel, please, your subscription to this channel really means a lot to me. Consider subscribing before leaving, and give this video a like so that our algorithm can show it to more people, and we'll get more people to invest in our project. And drop your questions in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, you can just comment nice, good, okay, you understand, just comment anything good in the comment section below. I would really appreciate your comment. And yeah, so for now, for those that have subscribed, I really appreciate your love and support so far. For the intending subscribers, I really appreciate your love and support in advance. Thanks a lot, and peace out.